Hello, we are Battle Stations and welcome to our pitch. Battle Stations' mission is to educate, communicate and entertain. We believe in the importance of human experiences and connection. Hello, my name is Derry Rogerson and I am one of the directors for Battle Stations Limited. We use digital media as a form of engagement to help people better understand their own experiences, connect with a sense of purpose and to inspire themselves to achieve agency. At Battle Stations we choose to invest our time into giving people real life experiences through a digital medium, and we use this technology in new and innovative ways. For the last 2 years, Battle Stations has been working with schools in the rural community of Dumfries and Galloway in South West Scotland. Over the course of this work we have realised the considerable difficulties faced by small and sometimes isolated schools.
Battle Stations we heard about because we'd seen some things on Facebook. Okay, I'm Carol Wilson, I'm the Deputy at Canterbury Primary. For me, I think it's amazing. It's slightly terrifying. The first time I had the headset on in Manchester, I was actually moving and I felt like I was a bit out of control. In the Battle Stations bus it felt a lot safer. There was also a member of staff right next to me, which helped me just for my sanity when I had the headset on. But it just opens the door to so many things, and actually as a school, the staff and I can't come up with what we could use it for. We need almost help to shape what we could use it for in the curriculum. After working with the head teachers, we've noticed that the lack of tech and outdated systems has made it very difficult for teachers to be able to deliver in-house IT lessons. We're working quite hard in developing digital technologies. With our remote location, part of the challenge was getting Wi-Fi, getting us set up digitally, because the children are definitely wanting to excel in that area of the curriculum. So working with you opens up those doors. And I think just having the brand new equipment, all up-to-date gear and the knowledge, but we felt like we were behind where the children were with technology. So even with the enhanced training and a lot of the work we've been doing, we really needed to look outwards to people who already had the knowledge to help us. Our solution to this is that we would like to pilot and provide a battle bus. We hope to pilot with a coach similar to the Scania Azar, with the view of expanding over time. We would like to kit the coaches out with 30 high-spec PCs which have the processing power needed to allow students to quickly and effectively design and produce to an industry standard. By overcoming the current IT limitations, students should be able to learn the IT content from the Scottish curriculum in a more effective setting. The coach would act as a digital tech centre where students can take their concept through the design phase, through to production, all the way through to completion. We plan to include a range of 3D printers, access milling machines in the storage compartment of the coach. We started off with an initial investment of £35,000 and in the first year we've made 19,601. Of that we've taken 3,533, that's 18%, and we've put that back into our R&D. By doing this, we're reinvesting back into the community for new age technology that's going to help the next generation of young Scots. Thank you very much for the Scottish Edge. We've really enjoyed this process and we hope that you enjoyed our pitch. If you'd like to find out any other information, you can find it in the description below.